this is Byron, and thank you for joining me for another whole body weight workout. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a back and shoulder workout, backs of the shoulders and back workout, doing behind the back presses, and I'm going to use the two chairs to do a below plane exercise. I'm going to do them at wider than shoulder width, so it's an upward angle. Again, my upper body is facing up, meaning an upward angle, and then I'm going to do wider than shoulder width grip using the chairs and below the plane. Okay. All right, so let's go one more time. Or let's begin. Not one more time. Always look up at the ceiling. Okay, and they do get tired. They do get difficult pretty quickly. And you do feel kind of an immediate chest pump as you're doing, especially at the wider than shoulder width grip, because your hands are really in an awkward position and you really don't have as much leverage as you would if your hands were at shoulder width. But it does give you a nice little workout. Just be careful you don't injure your shoulders, because that's quite possible while doing this. Okay, all right, let's go one more time. Oh, God. Yeah, they do get tired pretty quickly. But the behind the back press is, I find, is one of the most effective back and shoulder workouts in the home body weight regimen, so to speak. Because it's an odd position, it's an awkward position, so it really works well. Look up at the ceiling. Come down as far as you can. Take it slowly on the way down, because you don't want to fall down and you don't want to injure yourself. But yeah, these are quite effective, and they do really work the muscles out well. Okay. All right, so keep yourself motivated. And one more time. Just kind of rest on that down motion, on the furthest point down. Just kind of rest on that motion, on that lowest point you're at there. Okay, I'm just going to flex a little bit for about 20-30 seconds. Oh, a nice little pump to the back muscles there. Woo, yeah. That's a nice little back and shoulder workout. I can feel it even on the tops of my shoulders. I can feel it. So it's really a nice little workout. So just give it a quick little flex here, and then we'll jump right back into the magic, or the fire. Jump right back into the fire, whatever you want to call it. Should be long enough. Okay, so let's keep going. Yeah, you will notice that you fatigue really quickly with the behind the back presses, but that's what makes them work so well. That's what I love doing behind the back presses, and there's an unlimited amount of angles, that you can use with these. Okay, as you start to feel like your points of failure, then just rest, really accentuate that downward motion, okay? All right, I'm just gonna flex one more time, just a nice little, extra pump in there, and tear the muscles. Rip those muscles. Rip those muscles with the rolling right arm. All right, let's go one more time. I'm just holding as long as I can. Starting to reach some pretty decent points of failure. This is just a maintenance workout. I'm not really trying to max out with this workout, but I am just trying to maintain my muscles and build a little bit. It's not always good to max out with it, in every workout, because you can actually have diminished, the opposite effect of what you want. just hold on the way down. It's a lot harder to hold on the way down with back presses than it is with push-ups, that's for sure. All right, I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna stop and hold, do an isometric on this one, and then I'm gonna do a quick superset, and then that's it. Really doesn't take that long. Oh, okay. Woo! Okay, that's not easy. All right, so let's move the chair here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try and do a few with a close-in grip. Basically, a back press with a close-in grip.